My name is Mrs. Msindi Christine Betty. I'm the senior principal of Bishop Okoth Girls Mbaga. Bishop Okoth Girls Mbaga is an extra county school in Siaya County, Siaya Sub-County. We have 2004 students from Form 1 to 4. We have a total of 76 teachers. We have 35 non-teaching staff. We have used firewood in cooking food, and we have had challenges because we always receive firewood that was not dry, sometimes not in proper quantities, and many times we had challenges, even our cooks complaining that the firewood is wet and they are not able to prepare food on time. Many times they will delay the making of food so that when it is supposed to be ready for students and teachers, it will interfere with the program of the school. We thank God that through the equity manager of Siaya, we were able to know about clean energy. And he gave us also an option of how to get a partner who will give us reduced costs. And because we had had problems in our school, we ran for it. We thank God that through equity, we have been able to have our gas installed and is in use.
Kazi ya kupika na kuni imekuwa hectic, haijakuwa vizuri. Kwa sababu wakati kuni inakuja saa ingine haijakauka vizuri, saa ingine haijaingia in time. Sasa unajua ikipasuliwa, ukiweka kwa moto, haiwaki vizuri saa ingine. Sasa haipiki haraka, alafu inatoa moshi. Hiyo moshi inatu affect macho na tukiinhale pia watu wengine huwa wanakohoa. Tunapata madhara kama hizo.
I would like to encourage other schools who have not embraced the idea of using clean energy to do so. It is good, it is efficient, it is cheaper. I would like to thank Dr. Mwangi, who talked to us about clean energy when we were in CASPA conference in Nairobi. Our regional manager and branch manager. I want to thank the board of management, more particularly our chairperson of the board, Dr. Lillian Odera, who has always been supportive whenever we come up with projects that are making our school move. I want to thank our parents, because it is through the parents that we get money that we are using to pay for these projects, and even the government of Kenya. Through the free day secondary education funding, we also get funded. Our students are so happy that we are using gas. I'm sure even as they grow, they'll always want to use clean energy because they saw it in their school. I want to send my appreciation also to my family. My children, they are in different places. The support they always give me that enables me run this school as the senior principal of this school.